I've never really had bad ratings as an Uber driver since starting back in 2017, mostly hovering between 4.96 and 4.98, almost near a perfect rating. So I'm always teetering close to being an actual 5-star driver, but I always would get a few 1, 2, or 3-star ratings out of my recent 500 trips, ruining any chance at a perfect score. However, over the past year, I've made some changes to the way that I approach my passengers during pickup. Brittany? Yep. How you doing? Hi. And I think that has made a huge difference to me becoming a 5-star driver. Hey, what's up Rideshare world? Chuck Driver here. In my last video on this channel for the Rideshare guy, I listed my 5 golden rules for Rideshare. But would it surprise you that I left out one of my golden rules that I used to be very passionate about? Because over the past year, I've had a change of heart with one of my original golden rules, and I think this has been a game changer for me with higher ratings and increased tips. Never give out rider's name. That was a golden rule I desperately fought hard implementing over the years. Always with success, but unfortunately, always with retaliatory bad ratings to follow. I felt passionate about this golden rule because riders actually have 4 ways to verify their driver. They have her name, picture, vehicle type, and license plate. Put these all together and riders should know they're getting into the right rideshare vehicle with the right driver. But the only thing the driver has to identify the passenger by is their name. And I wasn't giving that up easily. I thought at the time. And Uber's policy used to back this up, because this is the logical way to greet and exchange information, protecting both riders and drivers, and the best practice for keeping everyone safe on the platform. So even if I was picking up a group of young, innocent, and inebriated women bar hopping at the Delaware beaches, I wasn't playing their what's my name game for their safety. What about the driver's safety? What about my safety? Are we just that disposable? Although these feelings are valid, I never considered the rider's perspective, probably starting out some of these trips being very confrontational. Hello, I'm Charles. How you doing? What's that? Well, I'm Charles. You're supposed to tell me that.
Oh, okay. That's actually the opposite.
What's that?
You're supposed to say what you're for.
No, I say my name, you say your name. That's how it works.
Oh my god, we're so roll those damn windows up and mess with my hair. Charles, this is how it ends. I notice we'll have good hair while it ends.
Considering that, maybe this golden rule isn't a one-size-fits-all rule and should only be implemented for specific times and places that are actually dangerous. And picking up drunk female passengers that are on beach vacation is far from one of those dangerous situations. And now being a girl dad, I get it. So I've changed my perspective on how to approach female passengers during pickup. And in turn, both my ratings and tips have increased. And this what's my name rider trend all started in 2019 when a South Carolina college student got into what she thought was her Uber, and then unfortunately lost her life. Tragic, yes, but the vehicle she got into wasn't even an Uber driver, just some random person. But since then, all male rideshare drivers are now considered predators, and we must prove to female passengers otherwise. And to make female passengers feel more safe, both Uber and Lyft have implemented female driver-only programs for their female customers. Political issues aside, I understand. I get why women would opt for this, which is why I changed my approach with female riders. If I feel that the pickup spot is a safe location and it's a harmless young woman getting into my vehicle, I will gladly say your name. So what are your thoughts? Do you make the rider confirm their name before starting the trip? Or do you take a different approach, like myself? Let us know in the comments below. And find out by clicking on this next video right here, how my perfect 5-star driver rating was quickly ruined by a false allegation. And I'll see you in that video.